Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to start with lecture number 27. I have already uploaded 26 lectures in the series, and I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them, then please watch them and come back to this one because it would be much beneficial for you to understand the concepts as you watch those videos and then sequentially come to this. In the 25th lecture, I had started the concept of table, and this one is also a continuation lecture. So now I have created a new file. I'm going to save it with the name lecture 27. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe Fameword Educational Hub and don't forget to press the notification bell. After pressing the notification bell, you will be able to receive the notifications of my latest uploads. If you are a computer lover and you like computer science and information technology, you are at the right place. This channel consists of various courses of different languages like C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, .NET, and many more other courses like O-level triple C lectures on this channel. So, if you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe FameWord Educational Hub. If you are a subscriber of FameWord Educational Hub, thanks for subscribing. So now let's start with our lecture. So now I'm going to create some basic tags. You must know them because you have watched the previous lectures. And here I'm going to give the title as table example 3 as I have already uploaded 2 examples. So now in the body I am going to create a table with border 2 pixels, sorry, and I'm going to create 3 rows, and let's take tr open, tr close. This is the first row, td open and td close, first column, and td open, td close, second column. Let's create some headings also. Let's make it th for heading, as we have already studied this concept in the last video, the previous video, lecture number 26. So now I am giving some headings like roll number. We are going to create some student records. So now I am giving some headings for student records in this first row. So now student name, let's say name, then creating one more column th, and here I will give like address and make one more column. Sorry, we are using th as these are the headings. And now let's say mobile number. Sorry. So this is the basic elements. Now I have just created the heading elements. Now let's check it out on the browser. So I'm going to start this particular file in the web browser. I am choosing Google Chrome. You can choose your favorite browser. So now we have just created the headings. Now let me zoom the browser. Now you can see roll number, name, address, and mobile, as we have given them like headings. You can see, yes. So you can see this, that we have created a row. This is the single row which has been started here and closed there. And now T is first heading roll number, second heading name, third heading address, and the fourth heading mobile. And now I have just closed the table row, and now I have closed the table. Now we have to create some data in this particular row. So now you have to concentrate on this video very nicely, as I'm going to illustrate some very meaningful and useful things for the designing purposes. So I recommend you to please install this particular Atom software, or whichever software you are having, whichever text editor you are having, it's okay. But you must code these things along with me. So after watching the video, just try to code these things on your computer system by you. Okay, that would be much beneficial for you. So as we know, there are four columns. So I am creating four TDs like this, two and two more. So here I have created four blank columns. Now I'm going to give some values to this. As the first TH is containing roll number, let's say 1001. The second TH is containing name, let's say Aman. Then the third one is containing address, let's say Lucknow. Okay. The fourth TH is containing the mobile. So let's it be the mobile number. Now I'm just copying this particular row. I'm going to create some more rows and I'm just pasting it and just changing the values to this. Aman, say Ajinkya, Agra, and just changing the mobile number. So now I've created two rows. The first row is the heading. This is the first row, which was containing the headings, and just aligning them properly for you to understand better. So this was the first row. This was the first row which was containing the headings. This is the first row with the data, but the second row in the table. And this is the third row in the table which is containing the data. Now I am creating one more row like this. So now just changing the values of this row to say Anam. That was Aman. This is Anam. Say Kanpur, and just changing the mobile number to. So now I'm just going to run this code. I have just closed all the tags properly. Let's check it out. We have started HTML and we have closed HTML. We have started head and we have closed the head tag. We have started title. We have closed title. We have started body and we have closed the body tag here. Sorry, like this. So this is also closed. The table tag we have started and we have closed here. TR1, TR2, TR3, and this is the fourth row. So now just refreshing this particular web page which we have already loaded here, you can see the records which I have created in my document in the file. So now we can just tally them. So here I have started a table and the table is containing the border of 2 pixels. If you are increasing the border size, so it will be like this. It will be much bolder. Okay, it will be bolder. Like this, if I'm giving 5 pixels. So like this, you can just change the values and check it yourself to get the better experience, and you will learn more if you practice by yourself. So now the first row, which is containing the table headings like roll number, TH, or so you can see this example is the third example of table, and the previous example I have just illustrated the concept of table heading. I hope you have watched that video. That video was containing the concept of table heading, and this is the example which is just using that concept. I have already told the concept of table heading that we don't have to use any bold tag to make the text bold, as we know that heading looks different from the normal text or the normal row values in any table. So we just use the TH tag in the tables to create the headings. I hope this video lecture is clear to you. I hope you are getting all the concepts clearly. If you are having any queries with this lecture or any other lecture on my channel or any other suggestions you are having, then please drop your queries and suggestions into the comment box for me to work on them. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you are new to this channel, subscribe Fameword Educational Hub, press the notification bell because this channel uploads multiple videos a day. So you will get notifications for those videos as soon as I upload them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe Fameword Educational Hub.